Hey, let me show you the fingerprint sensor speed test on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So I'm gonna make like 10 tries and we can actually find if this sensor is actually reliable, if it is actually reading my fingerprint all the time. So as you can see previously, I've got this one unsuccessful try, but right now it works pretty good. But from what I can see right now, that it is not working like super fast. I was definitely using the smartphones with much faster sensors, so I was just like touching it and it was like immediately unlocked. But from this we've got like some delay. This is like probably half of the second, but it's actually reliable. As you can see, it's reading my fingerprint almost all the time, so there's like no any issue. But you have to also remember that I don't have here any screen protector, any foil, so it might actually works a little bit different when you put some protection on your display. But without the screen protector, it works really nice. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.